Hey guys, this is Ta here with another unboxing video for Amcrest. In today's video, we're looking at one of the most popular 4K resolution cameras, the IP8M-T2599EW. Let's get unboxing. This affordable Ultra HD camera features a stunning high-quality 4K 8 megapixel resolution with enhanced low light capability up to 98 feet. It has an ultra-wide viewing angle of 125 degrees with a wide dynamic range of 120 decibels. Now it has a new smart feature that allows you to actually draw a virtual fence and get alerts when it's triggered. And it comes equipped with a heavy-duty IP67 weatherproof housing that protects against dust and hurricane levels of wind and rain. And it also includes a built-in microphone with flexible storage options including NVR, Amcrest Cloud, or an SD card, which can store up to 256 gigabytes. Now the standout reasons that you might consider getting this model is because of its amazing crisp 4K resolution image and the 2.8mm lens that gives you this incredible wide viewing angle. These are the two most important features for any outdoor camera. Now turret cameras are pretty great for their flexibility in choosing what you want it to focus on. Turret cameras are pretty great for their flexibility. You can easily adjust the head, choosing what you want it to focus on from wherever you install it. The most common places our customers tend to install these are in their front porch, maybe watching their driveway or passing cars on their street, or in their backyard, keeping an eye out for the intruders. When it comes to viewing your amazing 4K footage, by far the easiest way is by using the Amcrest View Pro app. Let's go ahead and get this camera added to our network. Okay, so I've just connected this camera to a POE switch, and the POE switch is going to give it power and internet. And so now we're going to go through a quick setup using the Amcrest View Pro app to see how this works. All right, so first, after you've downloaded the app, you're going to go ahead and open it. With the app open, in the top right, we're going to go press the camera button and then press Add Device. And then we tap POE Camera and then P2P Setup. And then it'll ask us to scan the QR code, which is right here on the little cable. There we go. We can press Next. Give the camera a name. And press Start Live View. Now we leave the password and username as admin here, and then it'll force us to change the password. And it's very important to change your password for your camera. Just for security reasons. So here we're going to change the password to Amcrest1. There you go. And there you go. See me right there. And that is the setup. So if you have any questions about this model, or if you have this camera and you're having some problems, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're more than happy to help you guys out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more videos like this in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.